Richard Frank is sitting next to me. Some people call him the Joe Pesci. I mean, the guy that, raises holy hell amongst the movement. We did an interview with him before, absolute sheer dynamite. Now the agencies, the alphabet agencies, are out after his ass. And he's not standing down, he's not standing back, he's speaking up. And Mr. Frank, be frank, let us know what's going down. I know they're out after you.
Yeah, well, the IRS, since I haven't filed in 20 years, they're coming after me for not filing from 2000 through 2009. And I had a personal interview with one of the head ladies in my community. And I indicated to her that I do not have to answer any questions, ma'am, okay? But I don't want to be an anti-tax protester, so go ahead and ask me questions and I'll cooperate with you and your companion here. So anyway, that lasted about almost 2 hours. Who do you bank with? And, what occupation are you involved in? They knew, actually. But anyway, long story short, I cooperated with them, answered all their questions, and told them I was a secured party creditor, by the way, filed with the Secretary of State. And the IRS comes after your fictional all capital letter name entity, okay, and they have us as the surety, the upper and lowercase name. We're the official representative or the surety or the fiduciary of that all capital letter name.
Wait a minute.
So the IRS comes after my fiction, because the IRS is a fictional entity headquartered in Puerto Rico, and they took a few notes and all of that on me. So the long story short, that was it. So they sent me a real thick documentation of the 10-year research on me that I owe them approximately about $215,000.
Holy moly, $215,000.
So, when you deal with the IRS, you don't want to make arguments or statements because they're going to indicate to you that, hey, those statements are frivolous. Please call this party or that party, and you're arguing. So what I did was I sent a letter, certified mail. So I'm not arguing or I'm not even agreeing with them, but what I'm saying is I do not have enough information or knowledge to formulate an answer in response to your presentment, whether to agree or disagree with this presentment, this bill of about $215,000. So please, I requested the following 4 documents.
Listen, we're going to have to do this. I've got a television show to do, but I wanted to have just a taste of a guy that is real Frank. In fact, the real Frank, the real Pesci, in the Patriot movement. Thank you. Can we use this on film?
Sure.
Okay. We're going to come back to you.
Okay.
We're going to turn the page. We're going to be back in a moment. This is Anthony J Hilder's Conspiracy Con 2011. We'll be right back.
Okay.